Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny Tikoy and thank you for clicking. Today we'll be reacting to Casey Tandingan's Say Something, which is her third performance in I Am Singer 2018, and we already reacted to her previous videos in I Am Singer, and now I'm so excited to react to her new video. I just woke up and sorry for my voice. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. I'm sorry.
Very nice rendition. KZ got a standing ovation from the audience, and they were so touched. The music is so emotional, and I eventually what I did it because I don't usually on cam, or I decided it is so emotional, and the audience understand the music, the lyrics, because I think they like the performance too. I hope KZ will do a upbeat song next time, so that she could hit up the floor again. That's it, guys, and myself. And if you like this video, please click the like button, and if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button. That's it. Bye.